In the 1980s, when Farm Focus started out, our little slice of South Pacific paradise was a very different place. It was a bit more straightforward. If you needed something fixed, you could, more or less, do it yourself. Technology has always moved forward, as have the needs of farmers. Tractors started out with pretty basic functions, but add in hydraulics and a multitude of additional tools right through to GPS, and it's hard to imagine going back. There have always been uncertainties. The weather, fluctuating markets, whatever we've had to face, we've always looked forward so we don't get caught in a storm. Some things were the same. We still had to get out the door and do a day's work. There was always something to do, but time on the farm has always been the priority. Crops and stock won't wait. We had family to look after.
That girl's got a head in the clouds.
Maybe the cloud's the future.
In the middle of shearing, Brian, who would become our CEO in 2002, was taking a technical call when an idea came to him.
Hello? Did you remember to leave the mouse on the table this time? You didn't take it off the table? Hold on.
Years later, by the time Brian became Wairarapa Farmer of the Year, he had realised most of the farmers he was talking to seemed to have to work harder, not smarter, to get things done, when it should be the other way. He wanted Farm Focus to be part of that change. Brian, Ian and David got together. On the farm, they reckoned, what if our community wasn't just our neighbours? What if it was all the farmers who shared the same challenges and were looking for the same solutions? To free up time, to take away the paperwork, and to make it easier for the banks and accountants, buying themselves some time to plan for the future. What if their community was any farmer with a farm focus who wanted to innovate and make farm-specific decisions with farm-specific tools? At Farm Focus, we know about this stuff because we're farmers too. Our livelihoods and the well-being of our families and communities depend on us working together. Farm Focus is designed to serve the farmers who want to manage risks better and work smarter through a truly integrated cloud-based farm management system, second to none, run by rural kiwis who understand what it means to pull it all together to get it done. Ultimately, Farm Focus works to make more time available for our hard-working farmers to do more of what they like. We've been supporting and innovating with farmers for over 40 years, with another 40 to come and the rest. Farm Focus, proud supporters of farmers.